Gluten-free beers. As millions of people make the leap of faith to avoiding gluten, the market is finding ways to make some tasty gluten-free beers. Here are a few of the best out there right now. Green's gluten-free beers don't use any wheat. Instead, their base is millet, rice, buckwheat, and sorghum. They have several different flavors, giving you options depending on what kind of mood you're in, the weather outside, etc. Dogfish Head's Tweezin Ale uses a sorghum syrup for this beer. It's flavored with some buckwheat honey and strawberries, making it both sweet and tart at the same time. Definitely a midsummer type of beer. Omission Beer starts with a low protein barley. Even though barley isn't the healthiest food in the world, it's better than wheat, especially after treated with enzymes that break down proteins and gluten. The only problem with omission beers is that they actually contain too much gluten to be considered gluten-free. They are still a much better choice than traditional beers, though. Glutenator, made by the Epic Brewing Company, uses rice, molasses, millet, and sweet potatoes. They add a lot of floral and citrusy hops for the flavor, giving it a very light body. Another good choice for a warm, sunny day. New Grist actually isn't very new at all. The first gluten-free beer in the US, it was created by a doctor who was tired of being intolerant to gluten. The main ingredients are sorghum and rice, and has a bit of a lemony taste to it as well. Oatmeal Cream Stout is the best option if you're looking for a darker beer. While almost all of these others have been IPA and other light beers, this stout is extremely smooth and is easiest to reach for in the winter months. It's made from oats, which explains how it gets the different hue and flavors from the rest of the bunch. So, there you have it. There are definitely more brands and beers out there, but these are the main ones we've been able to try and approve. Happy drinking!